Communication. Communication is a process of transmitting information from one person to another person or one person to other group of people. It is an act of sharing ideas, messages, emotions, thoughts, facts to the other people in and out the organization with the help of channel to create mutual understanding and confidence. Communication is basically two-way process. It is not tied with words. For example, a person speaks or not, but automatically conveyed to the other individual or other party. Besides words, communication can takes place with the help of symbols, letters, expressions, and body language, etc. Elements of communication. For communication, you need sender, medium, receiver, and fourth one is the feedback. Like, say you are delivering a speech to the audience. You are the sender. Mic is the medium. Audience is the receiver. And at the end of the speech, you will ask the feedback from the audience. Now, types of communication. There are two types of communication. The number one is internal communication, and the second one external. Internal communication means you are communicating facts and figures inside the organization. It means CEO communicates with managers, managers communicate with other staff members or daily wagers. The external communication means you are communicating with the other stakeholders of the organization, like customers, like vendors, like suppliers, like other shareholders of the organization. Now, forms of communication. Two ways. There are two forms of communication. The one is formal communication and the second one is informal communication. The formal communication can be done in four ways. The first one is down to upward. The second one upward to downward. The third one horizontal. The fourth one is diagonal. Upward to downward means CEO is communicating with the subordinate. It means superior to subordinate. And down to upwards means subordinate to superior. Horizontal communication means communicating with the same level of employees with different departments. And diagonal communication means communication of different levels of employees and departments. The informal communication is just like as you are talking with your friends, family, or colleagues on phone with them about your personal matters, or you are emailing to your friends as well as your colleagues. So the informal communication can be done with these four ways: gossip chain, probability chain, cluster chain, and single strand modes of communication: verbal communication as well as non-verbal communication. Verbal communication means communicating through words, either spoken or written. This can be done in two ways: oral and written. Oral communication means you are communicating face to face, on phone, speeches, conferences. And written communications can be done like emailing, texting, SMS. The other form of is the non-verbal communication. Non-verbal communication can be done with the help of body language, para-language, sign language, time language, and space language. Thank you.